my YouTube fans. It's G again. I had a problem with my refrigerator over here. Alright? It's the GE double door. Okay? Freezer side was getting cold, but not freezing. Refrigerator food side was not getting cold. Like I said, this is the GE. This is the model number right here. Okay? So now they said with the GE refrigerators that they go bad after about 5 years. So I called the repair guy. He came over. He did some tests. And the problem was this part right here. That is the part. It's a defrost heater. This is the old one. If you can see inside here, it's dark, like black. Right inside here, see it's black. It's actually like a fuse. And when a fuse blows, how it gets dark or fluorescent light. So he did some tests on it and found out it was bad. So the price to fix this refrigerator was $275. It's a simple fix. I told them thank you. I paid them for coming to inspect my refrigerator, and that was $65. This part right here is very simple. Inside the freezer, you take out your shelves, 1, 2, 3, and take out that on the bottom. Once you take that out, you take out your cover for your light. It just comes up and out. Take out your light bulb. Then, once you do that, right behind this cover, there's 2 screws. Take out the 2 screws, the back panel comes out. Once you take out the back panel, this is on the bottom. And it's actually like this. And it got 2 screws, 1, 2. You take out those 2 screws, I think it was a 1/4 inch socket. And then it has 2 plugs. One on that side and one on that side. Now the plugs, it look like there's 2, but as you can see, it only goes on one side. The other side is empty. So I unscrewed it, took out the plugs. You take this out. You go and buy this part right here, defrost heater. Now when you take this out, one of the symptoms that it was bad, in the back here was frost. And when you take that cover off, you'll see your coolant, you see it iced up. If that's iced up, your refrigerator will not get cold. The defrost turns on and melts that ice. So that's the simple way to fix this GE refrigerator, double door. I did it myself, and it'll save you a lot of money. This part costed $59, and it was $65 for the repairman to come over. So that beats paying $275. Okay? So good luck repairing your refrigerator. Peace.